Okay, very important during the spaghetti sauce process is that you make time to pour yourself a beer. Cheers. Okay, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and we're going to just brown it in the skillet, and then once we get it browned, we'll bring it over and drain off the grease, so that way buying the 93% lean won't go to waste, right? There we go. So we're working it out here. Yeah, we're just gonna brown this, and then we want to drain it, get rid of the grease out of the meat. Okay, sausage. You're gonna be doing hot. We're just going to go directly into the pan. We don't have to brown that. You can just put that directly into the pan, like such. Yeah. And then I get my hands all drippy, smush it up. Like that part. And I'm good. Okay. Now we've browned our ground beef. I'm gonna put it in our strainer. Kind of mash it up a little bit. Get all the grease out. Easy peasy. There we go. Looking good. I like that. Alright. Okay, getting the spices together. We will need a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of Italian, and 4 bay leaves. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 bay leaves. Put 5 in there. Okay, that's it on the spices. Next is onion. Okay, we're also going to put in 1 yellow onion. Don't be too fine with it. Peel it off here. It's in there. We're going to dice it. You don't have to be too fine with it. I just like to dice it like that. It'll cook down in the sauce anyway, so really the onion is just for flavor. The chunky parts of it won't be in it anyway. Okay. Okay, so now we have our sausage in there. We're ready for the browned and drained ground beef. That goes in there. And our tomato paste goes right in there, along with the Prego right in there. Our predetermined spices we'll mix in, and we'll put in 2 tablespoons of the minced liquid garlic. The last thing, half a small bottle of Texas Pete's hot sauce. Okay? Okay. Go 2 tablespoons the minced garlic. About a quarter of the bottle of Texas Pete's. Yep. And then we add the onions. Okay, and we'll turn our heat on high. Mix in all of the ingredients, and then we'll bring it to a boil. And then once it starts to boil, then we'll cover it and reduce heat to low, and we'll stir it every 15 minutes for 3 times. Okay, this is gonna be good. So now we're over here, and it's getting hot in the thing. Got to make sure to keep stirring it occasionally, because you don't want it burning on the bottom of your pot. Keep an eye on it, bring it to a boil. When it gets to a boil, reduce heat to low and cover it. Every 15 minutes stir it, and after 3 sessions of that, your sauce should be good to go. All right? Okay, it's been 15 minutes. We're gonna do our first stir. Just make sure that it cooks evenly and that we're not getting any scorch on the bottom. Okay? All right, good deal.